Finally, the train is here. It's finally here. It's taken so long to come. It's late and wow, those lights are bright. What's her number today? 2012. San Luis Obispo, are we? I know it took so long. I know it took so long. I wonder what he's doing in the cab. Oh my goodness, that's bright. I mean, it would make sense why it crashed. Something told me it's about to leave now. What charger? It's 2112. That's our name. Well, that's pretty much all that's going on with this train. I really don't understand why it's sitting here waiting when there's literally no passengers aboard. Except, of course, if they want to take a break here in Camarillo. Oh, it's a double header! Look at that! It's a double header! There's two consecutive locomotives behind it at once. I wonder why that. And that my two locomotive numbers are 2117 and 2112. That's a new one. I've never seen a double header before. I wondered if the second unit is a dead header. I would assume no, but whatever. We can see what happens. Or are they just sitting here for no good reason? Well, that's the first one I've ever seen, a double header. Double headers are usually not something you see that often. I wonder what they're doing today. Just stopped here. Huh, strange why they would not move. I mean, how do they get going? Or what's going on here? I think the engineer of the second engine is talking to the first one, or he just hopped aboard the first one. I don't know what's going on here. Let's go up ahead and see. Or are they leaving now? No, they're not leaving now. Wait, are they leaving? No, they're not leaving. Am I still zoomed in? Oh no, I'm not. Yeah, I was still zoomed in. Here, this thing's good. Ugh. Now what are they doing? He's just sitting in the cab. Hope he closed the door. Yeah, I know it. He's probably just talking to the engineer. Seems to be an issue. Seems to be an issue today. Oh, now I think they're leaving. Or not? Are they leaving? I don't think so. I'm just sitting there. Why they just be sitting there? What's going on? It's going to San Luis Obispo, that's for sure. Yes? Santa Barbara is, yes, that is. Okay, good. You're welcome, I guess. Let's go new here. They haven't left yet. Strange. Some guy asked me where Santa Barbara was, so I told him. I don't know why, but whatever the case, I don't really care. Is it gonna leave now? Yeah, I think it's leaving now finally. Not leaving. This, it should get the oxygen. It should get an oxygen by now. Yeah, it's just sitting there. They should be leaving by now. No one's here. They no longer have to board anymore. They have to get going now. I seriously think there might be a local. I seriously think that train actually could have the other direction. It's either Union Pacific Cargo or it's a Metro. How do you need to get a move on now? It's been sitting here for a bit too long now, and I can tell, like, passengers are probably getting antsy about it. Let's see what the end of the passengers of tracks is. It's just idling. There's a... Yeah, that's the correct route. It's just a double header. I could ask, but I don't see the point in asking. And it should be getting out by now. I think it is gonna get out now. saw it moving backwards. I think I just saw it moving backwards. Can't be, that's like you're going. Oh, now it's leaving. Or is it? Oh no, it's not leaving. The engineer's just hopping out. Once again. See what's the holdup. Yeah, he's just going to a second. Yeah, the engineer's just going to a second look. Just going to the second locomotive, I assume. Yep, there he goes. Hops up onto the second locomotive. Now we should be getting on our way. And he gets back out again. What's with this? What's with this? What's with this? Seriously, what's going on here? Is there an issue? You know, I'm seriously considering actually just walking over and asking. Really locking himself in the cab again. I'm seriously considering just walking over and asking. Next time he jumps out, which I'm going to assume he will, unless of course this train is actually going now, or he's just gonna sit in the cab for the rest of the day. When he hops out next, I'm going to ask him. This train will get a whole move on. No, it's just sitting there. Quite a long time now. I mean, it's already been like 12 minutes since it first came in. I have a feeling it's not going to be moving anytime soon. I don't think it's going to be moving anytime soon. It's just going to idle here for a while now. It's somewhat of an annoyance. I don't think I noticed this before. I think the Chargers have a third rail Yeah, that looks seriously like a third rail. That seriously looks like something you stick on a ferry if it has a free rail. I think I got my train sitting here a bit too long. Oh yeah, this has totally become the thumbnail. Actually, I have a better idea for a thumbnail. I have a better idea. I wonder if I'll be able to do this. I have a better idea for a thumbnail than this. Now, that's gonna make a good thumbnail, not gonna lie. That's gonna make a good one. A giant motor. Yeah, I think the second one's a dead header. I think the second one's a dead. Excuse me? What's with the holdup? What's with the holdup?
PTC.
Oh, okay. That's not a good thing. PTC popped. I guess that's not good. Positive train control popped. That's never a good thing. It's never good when PTC pops. San Luis Obispo. I mean, like a few years ago, I would have had no clue what he was saying. But now I know. But I know what PTC is. They might be here a while, won't they? I don't want to be called out. This is not good. This is seriously not good. They're gonna have a hard time. Yep. And there goes the piece probably gonna ask what's wrong here. And they're gonna be like, PTC popped. Oh dear, this could take a while, couldn't it? I don't know honestly why they couldn't just take off now. I mean, does it matter that PTC popped? Well, actually it kinda does actually. PTC popping means that the engine is dead. I think the first or second engine died. The first or second engine died. On the bright side, though, pretty sunset, not gonna lie. They're gonna have a while to wait, won't they? There we go, now it focuses. Wonder if we got it fixed now. Maybe. It is officially 5. Boy, that's not good. That is not a good thing. They're gonna be stuck here for a long time now. They're gonna have to get a real technician out here, actual engineer out here. They're gonna have to. They might even have to have it hauled away. This is not good. You know it's not good. I realize now what they mean by PTC popped. Positive control must have died. I can expect them to be here for a while. And I can expect me to be here for a while. Ooh, look! It's an incoherent idiot doing the one thing that he should not be doing, which is crossing the track. You realize that crossing the track is a federal crime, right? Well, I mean, technically it's not federal, it's breaking the railroad's law. But I think you should realize this, and if you don't on the right of way, if you don't on the This must be painful. I mean, you're stuck here at Camarillo station, you're waiting to get home, and your locomotive, and something's wrong, and PTC popped. That's gonna be painful. I think I'll be leaving at 6 or so. enjoy. At least they get to be on camera. Speaking of camera, I'm running out of time. I think I'll cut the video here. Finally, it's taking off. Yep, there we go. The engineer released the brake, and the locomotive is taking off. And there they go.